Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. If you've been following my channel, I had a Kobot Robotic vacuum cleaner. It's a slim series. It's a model number RV353. Had it for a few weeks, probably used it half a dozen times or so, and then it stopped taking a charge. It wouldn't charge through the base or even when you plug the charging cable directly into the vacuum cleaner itself. So here's my replacement. So this is pretty much an unboxing video, so I'm just going to take it out of this cardboard box. This is what the Kobot box looks like once I had taken it out of the cardboard box. There's the back of the box there. So I'm just going to open up this box and we'll see if it's identical to the other one. This is what it looks like when I first opened the box. You have your quick start, reference guide, your frequently asked questions. It's kind of good to look at the standard questions if you have any issues right away. And we've seen this before, that's your charging base. This part here goes underneath if you want to put the little pads for almost like a moist pad for collecting dust and whatnot. That's your charging cable that plugs into your base. That's the one that plugs into the wall. And again, your Kobot vacuum cleaner. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the box and hook it up, and we'll see if it starts taking a charge. Back side of it, before you can use it, you got to take off the cardboard. That's for your little brush, and then you have your little sweepers for the side. They just go click on. And then, so there's two of those, that's for getting the corners. And it's as easy as that. That's all you really have to do with this, and just make sure that the switch on the side is on the on position, which is, the little line's got to be down. So I'm going to hook it up and we'll see if it starts charging. So we have some good lights there. The flashing orange means that it's charging. I've set the time on the base, so it is charging. And so what I'll do is an updated video maybe in a few weeks to see how this one's holding out, as the other one only lasted a few weeks. So hopefully we'll have a little better luck with this one, and the other one was just probably a faulty battery or something internal in the vacuum cleaner, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. All I had to do when I put the Kobot on is just double check to make sure that it did have the filter inside the little canister for the dust and whatnot, and it already had it installed there. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we'll have a better luck with this vacuum cleaner here compared to the last one. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Just a short update on my Kobot, and we'll call this the 2.0 version. Take care, have a good day.